Well, hello everyone. This is Irma with my note cards, and this letter T stands for tip. I have a fun and exciting tip for you tonight. Several years ago, my daughter gave a surprise birthday party to a friend, and obviously she decorated the house. And one of the decorations that she had gotten was, I believe, from the dollar store. It was the banner that read, "Happy Birthday." And as you know and may be familiar with, the words "Happy Birthday" come in a metallic paper like this, and each letter is a different color. Well, needless to say, the party was over and there was no need to keep that banner. And my daughter was ready to throw it out when I realized that I could use the metallic of these letters and cut stars out of them and use it for an embellishment. So this is what I did. Bear with me. And I made a card. Why not? These pretty sparkly metallic stars were created using a punch that I took to punch out the different metallic colors of the letters, this material. All right. Now again, this was dollar store material, so it is kind of cheap, and you do have to be careful. But if you are careful, you can wind up getting a lot of really beautiful stars out of it, or for that matter, whatever shape you'd like. So it's a tip. Next time you go to a dollar store and you see the happy birthday banner, even if it's not your birthday, even if you're not planning a party, just get it. And then this way, at your convenience, whenever you can, you take your punch. Doesn't necessarily have to be in the shape of a star. It could be flowers, and you've got yourself some beautiful metallic shapes to decorate your cards. I hope you like this tip, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with a friend if you'd like. Have a great day. Bye-bye.